Hello everyone, we're Group 2. Our group's members are Helen, Feng Ling, Nguyen Phương, and Sehyun Lee. So when we thought about what we could investigate about how music affects you mentally, we came up with a question on how the lyrics affected the brain capacity.
We wanted to know the exact answer to this issue and wanted to learn more about how the complex brain worked. We narrowed down the question. How does listening to music with lyrics affect one's typing speed?
So here's our method. We found 3 versions of the song Let It Go, one in English, one in Swedish, and one without lyrics. We then asked 5 people to test their typing speed while listening to different versions of the song. To measure their typing speed in words per minute, we used this website. We also ensured that the typers correct all of their mistakes and have 100% accuracy.
From the WPM that we obtained, we calculated the average typing speeds of the volunteers for each version of the song and compared them.
Our prediction is that the average speed of typing while listening to Let It Go, from the slowest to the quickest, are English, Swedish, and the no lyrics version. We thought so because the English word would distract people from typing the words they see on the screen. We believe that listening to the Swedish version will be slightly less distracting since they do not understand the words being said in the song. The version with no lyrics is the control here to see the impacts of having lyrics on the typing speed.
The average words per minute while listening to Let It Go in English and Swedish are 61.8 and 61.3. There is no big difference in these two speeds, but the typing speed is much faster while listening to the no lyrics version, which is 63.8.
From the results, we found out that half of our prediction is incorrect and the other half is correct. Our prediction that the typing speed while listening to the song in English will be the lowest is incorrect because it was faster than the speed while the Swedish version of the song is being played. However, what was correct about our prediction is that listening to songs without lyrics while concentrating has the least impact on focusing and efficiency.
However, we can see in our results that our prediction is correct for most of the volunteers. As we predicted, there are people that are not affected by external influences in the same way as most. Here, our anomaly is Nam. His typing speed is significantly low with the Swedish version, and his typing speed increased as he had more attempts at typing. Therefore, we recalculated the average words per minute without Nam's results. We got an average of 58.8, 61.4, and 62.4 for the English, Swedish, and non-lyrical songs. From this set of results, we can see that our prediction was correct.
To us, it seems that the presence of lyrics itself distracts the brain from performing simple tasks related to language, such as typing. Having lyrics, regardless of the ability to understand it, led to a lower typing speed than the non-lyric version. Understanding it had a greater impact. Our experiment links to the relevant sound effects theory, which states that background music has negative impact on performance. When typing while listening to lyrical music, the two sources of words from the text and the lyrics make a conflict, then lead to a lower WPM.
It's still unclear to us why people are distracted when listening to lyrics they don't understand. As an extension, we might conduct another experiment with multiple songs in foreign languages and see if any difference is seen. We can also make our experiment more precise by collecting data from more people. Thank you for watching.